Welcome to the ultimate review of a legend reborn, the 2025 Yamaha RX100. For years, the RX100 has been a name etched in motorcycling history, and now it's back with a bang. Yamaha has brought this icon into the future, combining its classic DNA with cutting-edge technology. Let's take a closer look. From the first glance, the 2025 RX100 commands attention. Yamaha has stayed true to the original's minimalist design while giving it a modern twist. The retro-style round LED headlamp with a chrome bezel takes you back in time, while the sculpted fuel tank and aerodynamic side panels scream sophistication. The bike is available in 3 stunning colors: vintage red, midnight black, and electric blue. With its lightweight body and clean lines, this bike is built to turn heads. Yamaha has equipped the RX100 with premium features to enhance your ride. The diamond-cut alloy wheels not only add to the style but also improve stability. The single-piece seat is designed for comfort, whether you're commuting in the city or cruising on the highway. And of course, the chrome-finished exhaust is a nod to the classic RX100, producing that signature throaty roar that fans love. But it's not just about looks. The 2025 RX100 packs a punch under the hood. Powered by a 155cc liquid-cooled engine with variable valve actuation, this bike delivers 18 horsepower and a torque of 14 Nm. The result? Smooth acceleration and a top speed of 120 km/h, making it perfect for thrill seekers and everyday riders alike. The 6-speed gearbox ensures seamless shifting, and the lightweight frame offers nimble handling, even in tight corners. Safety is paramount, and Yamaha hasn't compromised. The RX100 comes with dual-channel ABS, ensuring precise braking even in challenging conditions. The telescopic front forks and rear mono-shock suspension make every ride comfortable, absorbing bumps effortlessly. This is a bike that adapts to both urban streets and rugged terrains. The instrument cluster is another highlight. Yamaha has blended analog and digital displays, providing essential information like speed, fuel levels, and trip meters with a retro modern vibe. And yes, it's Bluetooth enabled, allowing you to connect your smartphone for navigation and call alerts. Now let's talk price. Yamaha has made the 2025 RX100 surprisingly affordable. The base model starts at $2,200, while the top variant with additional features like a quick shifter and custom paint options goes up to $2,600. Considering its features, performance, and legacy, this is a steal for bike enthusiasts. In the 2025 Yamaha RX100, Yamaha has managed to create a perfect blend of nostalgia and modernity. Whether you're a fan of the original or a new rider looking for style, power, and reliability, the RX100 delivers on all fronts. It's not just a bike, it's a statement. So, what are you waiting for? Hit the road with the legend reborn.